All right, guys, it's rally time. We are heading down to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue in Rogers, Arkansas, and we're going to bring you along on the ride and show you everything about the rally. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. And if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. All right, we are in the midst of packing up the bikes. We are going to be heading down from Kansas City to actually Eureka Springs, Arkansas for Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. It's a great rally. If you've never been to this rally and thought about it or have never heard about it, you got to check it out. It's really worth it. It stretches from Rogers, Arkansas to Eureka Springs and every place in between. And there's some really great riding to do in the area. So we're going to take you on that ride with us. So hang out and let's go. All right, getting ready to finally leave and get the heck out of here. Let's roll. Yeah, don't mess up that hair. And it's the pre-trip breath mints. Love you too.
You better. All the shit you give me.
Oh, and you don't give it right back?
No.
Never. Well, it's day one. We made it to Eureka Springs. Had a couple of adventures. Okay, that's helmet hair hot. But just before we got here, we found a biker broken down on the side of the road. His battery wouldn't charge for him, and luckily, Aaron keeps the battery charger on the bike fully ready to go and was able to at least help him. But the guy had a lithium battery, and those are awful. Once the cell goes dead in them, they're done and they won't hold the charge. In fact, Harley doesn't recommend the lithium batteries. Anyway, we told them, hey, you guys go and we'll follow you on, because they're coming up to Eureka Springs like we were, just staying maybe like half a mile from where we're at. We're at the Best Western here, and you'll see it's a nice room. But anyway, we told them, you go while we jumped back on our bikes, put the helmets on, put everything away. I think we went 2-3 turns, maybe a mile, and they were broken down on an incline. There was no place to go off. And because their battery was dead, they have no flashers. There was lots of traffic coming. So we pulled up behind them again. And because that lithium battery was so dead, and Aaron had tried to charge it, even with the battery charger he has, it had sucked up down to nothing. So there wasn't enough power to get it to start again. And we were like, man, how are we going to get this thing going? And luckily, friends of their son of theirs anyway came up with a truck and a trailer and says, we got you, we came here to rescue you guys, and we got them. So, and what was ironic is they are close to us in Kansas City, so we'll probably see them again. And then we finally made it to the hotel. We're just unpacking, long day, and tomorrow we're going to go down to Rogers, hit Pig Trail, Harley Davidson, come back up and do a little checking out of Eureka Springs area, probably hit Eureka Springs Harley Davidson, and maybe do a little riding. We'll see how it all plays out, but right now we are bushed. And poor Aaron had to help push that bike uphill onto a trailer, and it was a 2010 CVO Street Glide, so it wasn't a light one. Anyway, we're going to go get some sleep, and we will chat with you in the morning. This was just a quick glimpse into Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. Again, this rally is held in the fall, so you're going to want to check out their website, which will give you the dates, the concerts that they'll have, special events, and all the vendors that'll show up, and so much more. I suggest you put this on your bucket list of rallies you'd like to go to because it's well worth it. And make sure you give yourself plenty of time to do some great riding in the area. This is Ozark riding. You're going to hit your curves and have a great time. Again, thanks so much for being part of the nation. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.